Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this vlog, I'm going to show you how to deploy a full website from GitHub to Cloudflare Pages, set up build settings, handle environment variables, and even show you how fast the CDN works worldwide. So stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have your site deployed, optimized, and live on the internet in under 5 minutes. To deploy the application, you can log in to your Cloudflare account using your email and password, or sign in with your Google account. There are 3 different ways to deploy a web application on Cloudflare Pages: through GitHub, using the Wrangler CLI, or by uploading a project bundle manually. In this video, I'm going to explain the first 2 methods. For the first method, go to the Workers and Pages dashboard and select Continue with GitHub. Select the GitHub project from the repository. Next, just enter a project name, and for the build command, we're going to keep the default settings as they are. Now, if you need a database connection, you can create a Cloudflare worker and set it up using a wrangler.toml file. This is where you'll configure all your database settings. Cloudflare workers are completely serverless, and the best part, they're free to start using. Now we see how to deploy the React application using Wrangler. To configure everything, you'll create a wrangler.toml file in the root of your project. This file stores all your project settings. Before that, make sure you've installed Wrangler and then run Wrangler login. It'll open your browser, and once you hit allow, your CLI gets connected to Cloudflare. Now run the build using npm run build command. It will build the web application. Now, I'm running the command to deploy the application in Cloudflare server. I'm just giving the deploy command on the screen. It will ask for the main repository name, enter the name. It will bundle the project and deploy in Cloudflare server. The application is now up and live. If you go to Cloudflare Pages, you can see the app. Click on the visit link. It will take you to the application. Here, I'm just created a register application form. Enter the name and email, add the password, and confirm password, and click on Register button. Here, I'm just created a small user registration application to register the branch, enter the name and email, add the password, and confirm password, and click on Register button. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.